Hi boys and girls. So our last video got cut off, but so now we're going to do 521 divided by 4. We can see that 5 is greater than 4, so 4 can go into 5, or 5 is divided by 4 is 1. We want to multiply 1 times 4 equals 4. Our next step is subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. We want to bring down this 2. We then have the number 12. We see that 4 can go into 12, or you could say 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. We subtract and have 0. And we want to bring down this 1. Now, you don't want to make this a remainder, so we need to put a number over top of this 1. So we have to continue our steps because we did bring it down, so we have to go back up to divide. Divide 1 by 4. That cannot happen, so it becomes a 0. All right? 0 times 4 equals 0. You can then subtract 1 minus 0 equals 1, and this one will become your remainder. It does seem like an extra step that is there, even though you already had this 1, but you have to think of it as if you have 521 pieces of candy and you break them up into 4 or groups of 4, you're going to have 130 groups. You're not going to have 13 groups that wouldn't be enough pieces of candy. So you really have to make sure that when you bring a number down, you go back to that first divide step. So after you bring down your number, you go back to your divide step. If you subtract, there's nothing left to bring down, then you make it a remainder like we did with that last step. We subtracted 1 minus 0. We got our 1. There was no more numbers to bring down, so that became our remainder.